What are you doing to your bugs? What are you doing? Can you pull them out? Can you pull them out? Can you pull them out? Yes? Show Mommy. Reach in and pull them out. Can you do it? Do you see your fingers in there? Yes? Yes? What happened? Did you lose interest? Oh, I don't know if the black will fit in there. I don't think so. Does that spin? Yes, very good. Where's your book? Is that your book? Yes, you're so funny. Good girl.